Working on slopes is something we all do from time to time, and that's a place where compact track loaders can use their extra traction to excel. But other factors also come into play, particularly the machine's balance and stability. That's where loaders originally designed as skid steers are handicapped. They purposely have a heavier rear end to balance a load on the front end, like a full bucket. But extra weight on the rear of a compact track loader can ruin its ability to work efficiently on slopes. That's why ASV compact track loaders are designed with superior balance and stability. They're naturally better performers at climbing slopes and working on a side slope. Let's test a few machines to see the difference. The ASV RT75, like all ASV compact track loaders, has the balance needed to master this slope time after time. Even with its higher ground clearance, the RT75 has more stability than other compact track loaders. You don't need to load the bucket to achieve better balance. All the other machines we took up this slope didn't make it to the top. As you can see, their heavy rear end and lack of traction causes them to fall short every time. Even when we put a full load in the bucket to help improve their balance, they often dug in and spun out. Their lack of stability is evident. Even with tracks, they couldn't make it. You may also find yourself working on side slopes from time to time. This can really test the character of a compact track loader and its operator. The RT75 was designed to easily handle working on side slopes. It uses 4 wheels and 4 rows of guide lugs per track, compared to other designs that use 2 wheels and a single steel tooth for track guiding. It's no wonder some of them simply tell you not to go on side slopes with their machine. But not ASV. With a superior guide system, traction, and balance of the RT75, you can work on side slopes faster and with more confidence. Lack of balance on other compact track loaders keeps them from working well, if at all, on a side slope. The heavier rear end just digs in and things can get pretty funky. Even machines which are much wider than the RT75 don't have the balance to stay on the slopes. That's something to keep in mind when you're looking for your next compact track loader.